Working on a weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist.
Hi guys, welcome to today's vlog. I'm actually vlogging today, which is really weird. The fact that I'm saying vlogging is just making me uncomfortable. Anyway, so I'm about to go get my eyelashes done for the first time. I've never had eyelash extensions. And then I'm gonna go get my nails done for my birthday. And I thought, let me take you guys along with me because why not, you know? Then yeah, it's just gonna be a whole birthday self-care and what I get up to for my 21st birthday kind of vibe. Appointment at 10 o'clock. It's 9:44, and then after that it's gonna probably take like 2 hours, so I should be done around like 12 or before that. So when you see me next, I'm gonna have eyelashes snatched to the gods. Snatched, baby girl, okay? Snatched. I just got back. Please don't mind my hair or my eyebrows. Why am I wearing a mask? Anyway, whoa, let's put the mask back on. This is how it looks. I'm kind of happy with how it looks with glasses on because I didn't want something that irritates my glasses since I wear like glasses full time. So let me show you without the glasses. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's alright. It's just not exactly how I was expecting it to look. I actually like this for like the first time getting extensions. Like I actually like it. It's not too dramatic. It's not too, what's the opposite of dramatic? Simplistic. It's not too dramatic. It's not too simplistic. This is the design that I got. I didn't think it would turn out like this decent. I thought it would go leftwards. First they put on pink. And I was like, are you kidding me? I wanted like a nude brown and y'all are trying to give me pink. What is this? Let me put you guys so you can see. But yeah, this is how my nails look. I think it's like a French tip. I got the idea of Pinterest and I said I want to do it. So these are the birthday nails or whatever. Oh my god, let me update you guys. So basically, let me just wipe the camera. So basically, I ordered my hair from AliExpress, okay? And I ordered like 613, so it's blonde hair, and I wanted to dye it myself burgundy, right? And it took over almost 2 weeks to come. It still hasn't come. Today is Thursday. My birthday is tomorrow, Friday. Yeah, it still hasn't come. They said they were gonna deliver it today at 7 a.m. Apparently they delivered it and no one was there to collect it, so then they went, that obviously they took it with them, and they were like, we're not going to attempt delivery today, we'll attempt it tomorrow. But it's like, bro, where I live, there's 24-hour reception. There's always someone at reception. How are you telling me you could not deliver it today? Can you imagine 24-hour concierge telling me that you could not deliver it because there was no one here? There is always someone here. Clearly you did not try, and clearly you're lying. Top of that, they're like, yeah, we couldn't, we're not going to attempt delivery again today. We're going to try it tomorrow. And they won't even give me an option to come pick it up. Which I probably wouldn't do because that's probably going to cost me bags and I'm broke. But, yeah, it's just like, why?
She's not broke. She has 24-hour concierge.
Shut up, sure. But how do you always find a way to make it in my videos? It's not by force. It's not. It's like, obviously my birthday's tomorrow. That means I'm gonna have to get the hair tomorrow, dye it, style it, like glue it down, all that shebang. And I have dinner at 8:30. So tomorrow's gonna be a busy day. Yeah. If this hair does not come by tomorrow, they're actually going to see me, because Like, why get a job as a delivery person and you can't even do your bloody job? Like literally, we live in a gated community and you're telling me there's no one here? I'm not gonna put that part in. I'm joking. I'm joking. I'm joking.
No, you have to.
No.
I'm just joking.
No, bro, imagine living in Luna. Like, we live in a gated community. So I think that's it for today. That's for Thursday. That's all I'm gonna do, like, for my self-care. Obviously, I'm about to go do my brows. You know, shave, wax where it needs to be shaved and waxed, you know. I'm gonna leave that to your imagination. But let me just give you guys a breakdown of what's gonna happen. So Friday, I'm just going out for dinner. Yeah, with my friends. And then Saturday, I'm having a brunch tea party. I'm having a tea party themed brunch. Does that make sense?
No.
Yeah, I'm having a tea party themed brunch because I can't say I'm having a tea party when it's gonna be a brunch time. Yeah, so Saturday I'm gonna have a tea party themed brunch, which makes no sense, but what I'm basically saying is I'm gonna have a tea party and brunch. But yeah, that's all I gotta say, guys. I shall see you when I next pick up the camera, which will probably be Friday. Why are you laughing?
So you're just gonna ghost for the rest of the day?
I have nothing else to do. Quick story time about when I was getting my eyelash extensions. So obviously, like, you're on a bed and it took around 2 hours. I got there at 10. I finished at 12:30. Oh my god, there's something in my eye. Oh fuck, the eyelash fell off. Oh my god, I'm crying. Okay, so I get there, right? And so, like, I'm just laying on the bed or whatever, and then I start dreaming about my bed. Like, I just start dreaming about my bed. Like, and you know those procedures where you have to have your eyes closed? You're just gonna fall asleep. Like, everyone knows you're gonna fall asleep, whether it's a massage, it's a facial, it's a what, you're gonna fall asleep. So I start dreaming about my bed, and then the moment I start dreaming about my bed, I fall asleep. I wake up because I hear myself snore. I'm like, oh shit. Like, I just did not fall asleep and start snoring. Like, what the hell? So then I just woke up. But obviously, because my eyes were closed, I tried to play it off like I was awake the whole time. I don't know if I got away with it. So then after that, I'm like, yeah, Fadzai, you gotta keep awake, gotta stay awake, gotta stay awake, gotta stay awake. Somehow, I fall asleep again. And then I snore again. But this time, I think I caught it just in the luck of time. So I played it off like I coughed. And she didn't say anything. So I think I got away with it. But that was just really embarrassing. Like, yeah, like, it's one thing to fall asleep, but it's another thing to snore. Like, what? That's so embarrassing. But yeah, sorry, little story time. That's what happened. But yeah, I'm actually gonna go now because this video is gonna be so long. Hi guys, quick update. Okay, so besides the fact that my glasses are dirty, just a quick update. So the cake's arrived. I'm gonna show you guys what the cake looks like later. What the cake looks like without taking it out of the box. So yeah, so it's like butterfly themed this year, and we have a whole lavender and like a whole lavender theme going on, and then it has like a half drip. So as you can see, but I kind of like it. I'm not really a purple color kind of person, but yeah, this works. I actually kind of like it. So yeah, that's the cake. Okay, so it's 1:34 and I'm going to Asda now to get a little, like, a few pieces. Oh, update, my hair came. It came at 9 a.m. this morning, which is good. I was really thinking it wasn't gonna come, but it literally came. So now I just have to dye it. Hopefully that doesn't take too long. Kind of swamped for time, but yeah, so far everything's going great. Everything's going good. The cake is here, the hair is here. I just need to go pick up some non-alcoholic beverage, of course, definitely. My mom's gonna watch this, but yeah, that's the update, and I'm waiting for my Uber and I'm gonna be late, so I shall see you guys in Asda or wherever I end up. Okay, so we just finished Asda, but I forgot to record, so do you wanna be in it? Guess who that is? Comment down below if you know who that is. I'll give you a hint. It's not my mom. What? Okay, guys. Hi. I just got back. It's 3:18 and my room is messier than I left it, and I just cleaned it. So we secured the bag, secured the goods. I'm really hoping this isn't synthetic. Like, I'm actually gonna cry. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, it's actually not as long as I thought it would be. I really thought it would be longer. So I got a jar like this. Yeah, and I'm gonna put it in here. Yeah, okay, I didn't think this through. It's gonna make it patchy. If you can, guys, get a straight jar. We're gonna put boiling water, then we're gonna put our dye, and then we're just gonna submerge it into the water. Leave it for about 15-20 minutes maybe, and then hopefully it should be ready to go by then. Okay, guys, so
Bitch,
I just boiled the water.
I don't even know what that's about. Watch your mouth. Baby got an ego twice the size of the crib. I can never tell a shit. It is what it is. Said what I had to and did what I did. Never turn my back on FBG, God forbid. Virgil got the paddock on my wrist, doing front flips. Giving you my number, but don't hit me on no dumb shit. Working on a weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up.
Hi YouTube, I just have to jump on here and just say apologies for this girl with her dusty, crusty ass nails for interrupting what I was meant to say. So let's try this again. Yeah, so I had to push my reservation back to like about 9:30 just because my hair would incorporate, like, just turned out pink instead of burgundy. And yeah, it was just a long process. And then we finally get there and this man is not trying to let us in. He's now telling us that we didn't have a reservation, and thankfully, by the grace of God and Marlo, because Marlo almost jumped somebody, we made our reservation. And yeah, so this is the rest of our night, and that's just what I wanted to jump on and say. I hope you guys enjoyed the rest of the video. Bye.
What's up, YouTube?
Yo guys, how's it going?
It's a takeover over here. It's Fadzai's birthday, and obviously we're here to have fun because when Mother's Day, fun's here. Amen. Amen. I'm gonna give the book back to the owner. Back to the owner.
I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it. That makes me look at you too out there. Maybe you can be it for something. Baby, I can ride all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. Need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. Say it. My mind, my mind, and my body. My body says it. My mind, my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know.
Work hard and get money, killing the melody. Waiting when man don't see Charlie, make I just do my thing now. Work hard and get money, killing the melody. Waiting when man don't see Charlie, make I just do my thing. I beg. Fuego, fire, the Montana Rincana. We the knock, no the tire.
Hi guys.
Welcome back.
So obviously, as you guys can tell, I totally forgot that I was vlogging. So yeah, but I'm gonna let you know what we did today. What did we do today, guys? We slept. We had Fadzai, guys. It was really banging.
Fadzai doesn't pay his legs.
Yeah, my lips look dry as hell. Oh, by the way, guys, This is the color that it came out. Kind of far from burgundy, but we moved. We try again soon come. So guys, I don't know if I'm gonna upload this video, but if I do, and if you're watching this right now, then I guess I uploaded it. But I'm just gonna end out this video here. Thank you for coming along to my 21st with me. I will catch you in my next video. Bye. Guys, say bye. Bye.
Gotta get money, killing the melody. Waiting with my nose, Charlie, make I just do my thing. Work hard and get money, killing the melody. Waiting with my nose, Charlie.